Good morning, Campfire crew. This is Tony and Stella. Stella's right down here, checking in from the lodge. Okay, this week, we got a great video. So we cleaned a Wagner 1891 skillet. So what is a Wagner 1891? On the back of these Wagner skillets, they stamped Wagner's 1891. It's a commemorative skillet, and this skillet was made to commemorate the 100 years or to celebrate the 100 years of Wagner ware being in existence. Wagner ware was located in Sydney, Ohio, and in 1891 they started their business. So in 1992 they made these skillets. So these skillets are a little over 30 years old now, and to commemorate it, they stamped on the back that it's a Wagner 1891, and they also put reseasoning instructions right on the back of the skillet, and it's stamped in there. Isn't that pretty sweet? Okay, so this week we're going to cook in the Wagner skillet, and I want to show you guys that. But also, this week at the thrift stores, we found an old BSR skillet, and this BSR skillet is a Red Mountain BSR skillet. So next week, we're going to feature this old Red Mountain skillet, and we're going to show you what it looks like once we get that thing cleaned up. So for this week, I want to show you just how bad this thing is. It is in awful, awful shape. It's got a lot of rust around the edge where it was left outside and it's had water standing in it, but I think we can bring it back to life. So next week, that old skillet, we're going to make it look like a new one. All right. We got the skillet out, we're fixing to get us some oil in it, and we're fixing to cook us a steak. So, y'all come along for the ride. So there's the Wagner skillet that we just cleaned. I don't know how good y'all can see that. This thing turned out beautiful. It was covered in grit and grime, and you can literally read every word on that skillet. Okay, so we've got a ribeye we're gonna cook, and we've already got our ribeye up to room temperature. We're gonna take us a paper towel and we're gonna pat it dry. And also a little bit of minced garlic. We're gonna put it in the pot to cook with the steak. Now we're gonna let this thing sear for about 3 minutes on each side, because I like my steak cooked somewhere on the medium rare side. One thing about Wagner skillets are known, and they're famous for cooking even. The thickness of the metal or whatever in the casting, they cook very even. They heat real even around the skillet. So y'all can see the sear on it, beautiful sear. while we cook our bread, we're gonna let it rest. This might be my new favorite way to make toast. Stella, you about ready to eat a piece of steak? Can y'all see how cold it is? It's cool in Alabama this morning. All right, Campfire crew, me and Stella are just about to eat a steak. Beautiful, beautiful piece of meat. Cooked in a Wagner 1891 skillet that we just reseasoned. Okay, as always, life's an adventure. Don't get caught sitting at home. You should be out here cooking a cast iron butter steak with me and Stella. Can y'all see how tender that thing is? If I quit cutting the knife. Finger steak. It's good.